Good afternoon. My name is Benjamin Lampy. I'm the product manager for Resinous Coatings at LATICRETE. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our online visualizer tool. This is a great tool for picturing what a SPARTACOTE floor could look like in your home, office, or other space. Since the tool is online, it works both on a desktop as well as on a mobile device. Let me show you how to use it now. I'm going to show you the basic function of the visualizer. To begin with, open a web browser and type in visualizer.laticrete.com. You can also link to the visualizer by going through the LATICRETE website. Once here, you have the option of selecting a scene, uploading your own photo, or logging in to see a saved project. Today, I'm going to select the scene. I have the option of choosing from 5 preloaded scenes. Alternatively, I could also upload my own photo to visualize. Today, I'm going to choose a classroom scene. Now that I've chosen my scene, I can choose what system I'd like to install. I can choose from SPARTACOTE QUARTZ, SPARTACOTE Guard, SPARTACOTE Metallic, and SPARTACOTE Chip. Selecting a system will bring up my color options. I can bring any of these color options into my scene by clicking I can collapse my window for a larger view or extend it again and click on a different color if I'd like to change it. If I'd like to change the system I'm installing, I can simply hit the back arrow and select a different system, and new color options will appear. Let's say I've selected my system, I'm happy with my color, I'd like to save it for later. I can simply navigate to the top and click Save. I can also share it to my social media channel or email it to myself, or I can also print it.